The power of constructive conflict in nurturing creative genius. Research suggests that growing up in an environment with constructive conflict can foster creativity, maturity, and innovative thinking. Constructive conflict, characterized by respectful and open-minded disagreements, can 1. Encourage critical thinking. Children learn to analyze arguments, evaluate evidence, and form their own opinions. 2. Develop problem-solving skills. By witnessing and participating in constructive debates, children can improve their ability to find creative solutions. 3. Foster emotional intelligence. Constructive conflict helps children develop empathy, understand different perspectives, and manage their emotions effectively. 4. Cultivate a growth mindset. Children learn to view challenges as opportunities for growth and development. Notable examples of creative geniuses who grew up in environments with constructive conflict include 1. Steve Jobs. His adoptive parents, Paul and Clara Jobs, encouraged debate and discussion, fostering Steve's innovative thinking. 2. Frida Kahlo. Her parents, Guillermo and Matilde Kahlo, had a tumultuous relationship, exposing Frida to constructive conflict and encouraging her creative expression. While a harmonious family environment is beneficial, constructive conflict can provide a unique opportunity for children to develop valuable skills that can nurture creative genius.